नेक्स्ट टॉपिक बेटा water as solvent. So what is solvent? Solvent is that liquid which is appropriate to dissolve other substance into it. So water can dissolve many kind of substance, so that's why it's called universal solvent. But some other substances are also there which do not dissolve in water. So substance which are dissolved in water, that are called soluble, and which do not dissolve in water, that are called insoluble. Okay, so on the basis of that property, solubility and insolubility, the substances are further divided into two types: miscible substance, immiscible. Miscible substances are those which can dissolve easily in or soluble in water. An example of that, alcohol in water. Second is immiscible. Immiscible are those which do not dissolve in water, like oil. When you mix with water, it does not dissolve in water. Next topic beta, can water dissolve any amount of substance? Water dissolve wide variety of substance in it. But next question come in our mind कि how much of any substance can dissolve in water. So before dealing with that answer, we will discuss few terms here. First one is solute. The substance which dissolve in water, that is called solute. Like sugar, if I take in water, then sugar is solute, or salt also. Solution. So it's a mixture, homogeneous mixture of water and any other substance, like solution of sugar and water. Next thing is beta saturated solution. So what are saturated solutions? In which if we start to dissolve sugar in 1 glass of water, slowly we dissolve a small amount of that sugar in water, it will dissolve. But after that a point will come when no more sugar will dissolve in glass of water. So that is their saturated point. So means what is saturated solution? In which no more solute can be dissolved. Next thing beta, limiting amount of any substance that water can dissolve is described by term of solubility. So what is solubility? The solubility is a property of a liquid to dissolve a substance into it. Okay, so next terms related to it, solute we have already discussed, solution also, saturated solution also. So next beta, solubility again. Different substance dissolved to different extent in water or any other solvent at a given temperature. For example, sugar dissolve in water more than common salt. The extent of dissolution of any substance is described as solubility. So maximum mass of solute that can dissolve in 100 gram of solvent that at a specified temperature or given temperature, that is called solubility. Beta next thing is come in our mind ki how we can increase that solubility. If we heat that solution, okay, if we heat that solution in which solute is added, so that can, with the rise of temperature, the solubility can be increased. Next topic beta, solubility of gases in water. Gases dissolve in water to small extent. For example, aerated drinks, yani cold drinks, contain dissolved carbon dioxide. And another example, aquatic plant use dissolved carbon dioxide to make their food by photosynthesis. Same thing, oxygen dissolved in water is taken up by fishes through a special organ called gills. So aquatic animals survive on that oxygen which dissolve in water. Next is solubility of gases in water increase with rise of temperature. Often during summer, fish in shallow ponds die because the water in that pond get warm due to summer heat. As a result, amount of dissolved oxygen decreases, so that fishes die. With this beta, this chapter is finished.